everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. It's very delicious. Today I'm going to share with you fish omelette. It's very tasty and very delicious and easy to make recipe. Super yum. I'm going to use the sardines. These sardines are wild caught in 100% olive oil. I'll show you how to use it. 4.3 ounce, which is 124 grams. 1 teaspoon diced onion and green chili and cilantro, dhania, olive oil and salt and black pepper. You can add any spices. These are the only spices I'm going to use. These sardines in 100% olive oil, and these are pre-cooked. And good thing is these are skinless and boneless. Whenever I make omelette, it's so delicious. It's very tasty and super delicious. And look at these sardines. You need a fork. Once you take these sardines out, we're going to mash it. Now with the help of fork, you just press it, just like this. As I mentioned to you, these are skinless and boneless. So after mashing, this is how it looks. And now we're going to beat up the eggs. With the help of whisk, we're going to beat them well. Once nicely beaten, we're going to add salt to taste, and black pepper. Mix it. Once it's combined, now we're going to add onion, green chili, cilantro, which is dhania, coriander leaves, and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring sardines. And we're going to add everything inside the egg. Make sure that you scoop out all the sardines. And mix it well. Now we'll take this one to our gas and we'll cook it. Start burner, and we're going to keep the gas on low. Get a pan, add olive oil. Make sure that the bottom is nicely coated. Now we're going to add the fish omelette. So just spread it evenly, and it's a good idea to cook it on a low gas. Now we're going to cover with the lid and let it cook. So as you can see, we gave them like 2 minutes. If you see, the edges are nicely cooked and it started to cook on the top. So as you can see, now this is how it looks. Now, good idea. Take this one and put it on a plate like this. And now I'm going to put it fry pan on top, and we're going to flip it over on other side. So once we flip it, it's going to be like this. So that's an easier way to do it. Just turn it over. We're going to cover on this side as well. Cook until it's fully cooked. And please make sure your gas is on the low. Our fish omelette is all done. I'll show it to you. When you put it like this, we're going to turn around like this and we're going to just flip it over. Look at the other side. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to turn up the gas. My serving platter ready. Very delicious. Fish omelette. Our tasty and delicious fish omelette is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.